In this video, we'll see how we can create pop-up box in HTML CSS. Currently, you can see when I click on it, here pop-up box is open. When I click in or click on cross, then it will go. So we'll see how we can do it in HTML CSS. Let's go. And if you want this code, you need to join the membership. Then I can provide you. Here you can see this is index.html. Currently, you can see I've added a banner and button. Now we want that when someone click on it, a pop-up box would open. On that pop-up box, whichever you want to show, you can show. We want to show a pop-up box when someone click on it. So let's see what I will do. I here, this is my basic default feature. There is nothing. This is basic simple button and this is a banner. It's all upon you where you want to pop up. Here, this is my main button. So what I will do, first, I need to create a section for, okay. So here, I will create a section, ID, pop up. This is my ID. In here, you can write whatever you want. Here, this is my basic pop-up box that I will show. Now, inside it, what I will do, I will add a cross signal so that when someone open the pop-up box, there is a cross signal will appear. Spam, class, close button, and it will be just, you can add icon or whatever you want to add. Currently, you can see here, cross signal and pop-up box is visible. Now we want to show on center when someone click on it. For that, what we'll do, in button, what I will do, here in button, I will add a ID through which we will call the open pop-up box feature. Okay. Here I have created now basic image setup, and one more thing, I will create a div that will give a overlay effect, like make background blur, and only there will be only focus on pop-up box. So I will add a class overlay, nothing much, just simple. Now we will style it. First, we need to style pop-up. Hashtag pop-up box. In style section, sorry, it must be here in style. You can add another CSS file like this here, style.css. You can add it here. I want to show you. That's why I'm writing all the CSS here. Here we will add a CSS. What we will add first? First, we will hide it because it will be not visible by default. Display none. Then position we want to give it 6. Top will be 50 so that it will be center line, and left will be 50. Okay. Transform plate minus 50%, comma minus 50%. Okay. Now you can give width as per your requirement. I will give width 300 pixel. You can give width and height and padding as per your requirement. It's all upon you. Background color you can add. Box shadow if you want, you can add. We will add some border radius and import it into J index so that it will be on top of everything. Reply. Now this is basic CSS for pop-up box. Now it will be not visible. Okay. Now what we will do, we will add CSS for overlay, that when someone click on pop-up button, then overlay will make background. It will be displayed on same. Position will be fixed. Top will be 0. left 0, that means it will contain the whole page, whole width, then width will be 100%, height will be 100%. 100%. Now important part will be here, background. Background will give a background with opacity. RGBA, not 0.2, 0.5. It is for opacity. It will make background blur. Now it is all set. Now one more thing, we want to style cross button, so it will be fixed on right corner. Close button, cursor will be pointer, float right, font size you can give 20 pixel, and color you can give as per your requirement. Now we have styled it. Currently you can see there will be nothing visible. Website here you can see it will be class. Sorry, we have created class for overlay. Now we will use JavaScript to for working of pop-up box. This is my pop-up box. Now below it we will add script. You can create a app.js like this and add JavaScript there and then link it. It fall upon you. For now we will add here. First what we'll do, create open button equal to, we will get the ID, document that get element by ID, and get the button ID, like through which box here will be button ID. So we will need to copy. Similarly, we will get the pop-up box ID, and this will be pop-up box. Box, and we will use its ID. Here will be pop-up box. Then we will get, so we need to get, now we need to get overlay ID so that we will show it. So we need to create it ID. Then here we need to also change ID. Now we will get overlay ID, and here we need to write. This is basic. Now we will start the function open pop-up. This function we will call the pop-up box dot style dot display. Like whenever this function will be called, then pop-up box display will be blocked. Similarly, overlay also will be displayed because we have set it hidden. Display to block. Then we will create another function for hiding them. Copy it and just change it to hidden. Page. Now here it is important. When it will be called, it will be called on whenever pop-up button will be clicked. We will add open pop-up button event. Add event listener. When someone click on it, open pop-up function will be called. Whenever someone click on this button, it will be called. Now and overlay dot add event listener. Whenever someone click on overlay, then it will be closed. Okay. close. Okay. That's it. We have added. And one more thing, if we want to create, like when someone click on overlay, it will close. And one more thing, when someone click on close pop-up button, it should close. This is close. On click, we will call close. Now here you can see everything is ready. Here my styling part. Now here everything is ready. Just save it. Now go to front end. Refresh. Now when we click on here you can see when I click on overlay, it will just hide. When I click on it, nothing happened. But when I click on cross button, you can see open, hide. Click on it, hide. You can add any type of content into your pop-up box and it will work. So that's all. That's how you can create pop-up box in HTML, CSS using JavaScript. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want this code, you need to join membership. Then I can provide you code.